Start by dragging the ASCIIfy video component onto your page. Once it is in place, you're ready to begin editing. In the video option, you can add your video content. First, upload the video file, then select the video you'd like to use and click Select. Under the ASCII settings menu, you'll find the Output Width option. This lets you adjust the display resolution. At a value of 120, the converted result still looks a bit blurry. But when we switch it to 250, you can now see the animated result has become much clearer. There is also the max FPS option, which lets you adjust the frame rate to further improve the smoothness of the animation. In the color mode section, you can choose between monochrome and color. In monochrome mode, the animation is displayed using classic grayscale characters. In color mode, the video is converted while preserving the original colors for a vibrant full color effect.